Right, we're at London Victoria Station in London. I'm going to go to get food, so we head to Tube Station to do spotting and head to get to McDonald's on Southeastern Side. Then we'll do some spotting, then we're going to head to get McDonald's for lunch, then we head to the Southeastern Side. The 377 wasn't running today, 3775s out loud. Because we're going to do some spotting. I got a Lego box, a bag. Right, we're gonna wait for our wait for Mum to come to the toilet. Yeah, because I'm doing. I'm gonna see it. 3, 2, 1. Here, the door's open. Now, Victoria Line service to Brixton from Walthamstow Central. Announcements this time. Brixton, second one, the third one now. 212. You got food? Is it mine? It's got some in there. These are 2009 trains. It's not our announcement in this station today, you said? Brixton, number 5. 235. Open up for me, please. Everybody is ready? Now, hold my food, please. Picture me, please. Hold it, please. Right, we're at Victoria Station in London. We are at Victoria.
Do you want to put your treats in your bag?
Not ready.
No? Shall I put it in my bag? There's your,
I'll leave it there, leave it there, leave it there.
there's your,
I'll put the Southeast inside.
there's your Ribena there. Alright?
Walk
For a minute. I'll change for a minute. 2-minute break. Eat that.
2 minutes, yeah, this.
When you've eaten that, we'll go to the side, okay?
After, no, yeah, the train leaving.
Yes. Is that nice?
Yeah.
You're recording with your pause.
You pause that.
Pause it, yeah. But open your book, get a pencil, I'll take pictures quickly.
Right, you take the pen out. Pen out.
Good.
Thank you so much.
Open your pad.
Do 3 pages.
And we'll have a quick take a picture of you.
Oh, look at the time is coming.
Which one?
Oh, this one.
No, done that once. I'm not one. Stand back a page. I'll do world countries. Go on.
Oh, yes.
Currencies. Go on.
Keep
Go on,
food first.
go on. And I'll go pick quickly. Full train comes. It might look like you're doing something, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
There you go. You don't have to do it. Come on.
No, there he is. $2.05. Busy people about the first train. Excuse me. Sorry. Really now. $2.27. $2.30. Someone's coming to the wall, so stand. Try and set my jumper off. Hold that. Go well, please. Round the bed now. Sorry. Look.
Quick, fast today, aren't it?
$2.10. I was going now. You can another one, come on.
Stand still. Yeah, stand there. Not like.
2131. Sorry, you're in camera. Sorry. Just a little bit. Down a bit. Check a bit wet. There's just a little bit. 232. Here doors. Can you check whether his cord is running? Would you ask to check? Check it now. Check your phone, okay? We're light, yeah. 315. Very light. We have been doing tube stations in this area. Sorry, it's annoying.
Hello.
I'm from Horsham.
Sorry?
I'm from Horsham.
Yeah.
I'm from Horsham. I'll go back up at 2. No. Metropolitan. One minute. We just go to that's for 3 minutes. Almost a northbound platform, that'd be perfect. On this now.
1 minute, please. Put your sweets in your pocket. Here you go.
Huh? I'll hold it.
I'll do this last one, okay, then we'll go across the side.
Is that okay? Did you do it? Oh, 73%. Two, 15 to go. 16, sorry. Bye. Two, 7. Sorry, you're on the camera, sorry. Quick. Wait, open the doors, ready? Open the doors. You okay? Yeah. Yeah. Leaving in 10 minutes. 10 minutes we can go, okay? 7 minutes we're leaving, okay? I will leave 12:05, that'll be perfect. I will leave in 2 minutes. Yeah. Hello, blue. Slowly. Look slow. 2. The trains are 2 dead ones, so it's Eastbourne to Brighton or 226. Could we on again one the other day?
We saw that one earlier.
It's ready to part now.
We watched 3 more trains so I can get their numbers, and we saw them on that side earlier.
No, mate, no. But we need to leave now. We need to let straight leave where we're going.
One more?
That's this point, there we go.
One more?
Sure. Walk the Stoke Central. Now party tour to Southeastern Side to Orpington. No park class 465s. Dealing 465, 190, and there is 465 and 020. What up, you? Being, rock yourself. 372-5! Oh, 20, that's in the rear. Well, by Southeastern Side in Gillingham. Well, by 377-506. That's right. Oh, nice little. Huh? Yeah? Back to dash 5, 377. Homework Southern hit home 377-122 is coming soon. 15 minutes. Gillian, 15 minutes. Which place out to use?
You listening?
Who's your one?
Listen.
Yes. Yes. 377-122. Which Trainspotting Southern? That's the Southeastern branding. Now it's just each going to Eastbourne or now it's Southeastern. Now we're performing something at Ashford International. Huh? You do that.
That's 61016. See it, say it, sorted.
Always. Southeastern service from Orpington. Southeastern service from Orpington. Leading is 465155. Guys, thumbs up. And there is 465 0600152. Now, pardon me, 1233 Southeastern Service to Gravesend. So 465 034 0039. After this will be Denmark Hill. Now, pardon me, 12:35. Now, apparently, Southeastern service to Ramsgate via Faversham, well, 375802. Next calling point will be Bromley South. The ex-southern one is transferred from Selhurst to Ramsgate, from Victoria to Ramsgate. There you go, 3758 or 2 to Ramsgate. That's cancelled. Forty services I was doing with 377506. What's going wrong with Denmark Hill? There you go, 377506 Gilliam. That X7 is good. Now, pardon 1242, services service orbital, 2 minutes late, these 465152. What, dog and clock are at 4 closing, yeah. And then 465155 for Orpington. Let's call him probably Denmark Hill. Now arriving in Southeastern service from Orpington. Class 465s. And what are those class 465s? Leading is 465906. 906. Yeah, 465906 from Orpington. Need to be heading out to the depot soon. I'm not going to ask those things anymore. But 3775s will allow these units. Oh, BIEL and Metro Camel, yeah. That's 175 and then 465 013 into the rear. Now running services in ECS from Slade Green. Now what are class 376s? Hey, 376, picture 376. Went by 376 008. Yes, 376 008. 008. It's the Harry Power sockets on that train. Yeah, it's ECS. It's the service from Slade's End. No, ECS. No, it's not ECS. No. That 376 hasn't been done in Victoria. That's ECS. That's in Great Dartford. Let's keep recording. I've got class 375 coming in. Mum, how are the 376 doing? How are the 376 doing? Oh, hang on, that's a whole Tonics interior. Definitely needs to refurbish this interior. It's 375. Right, 375. 693 coming in from us into Venetia from Venetia service. Yes, it's an ECS, yeah. Yes, it's an ECS service to the depot. John with John Lee. And 375 to the rear. That 376 is in Victoria. That 377 doesn't open, it's not going out of Victoria. Yeah. Ah, it's wet! Fuck.